Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see MySQL Limit clause. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So as you can see, we are currently in localhost PHP myadmin. We have created one database with Letsfindcourse. There is one table with name LFC and there are 6 columns inside the table. As you can see, there are 6 records also. So what is MySQL limit? So MySQL limit clause is used to specify the number of records to return. The MySQL limit clause is useful on large tables with thousands of records. Like returning a large number of records can impact your performance. So generally developers or database administrator use limit clause to limit the output. Suppose there are 6 records over here, but you want to see the top 3 records only. So at that time limit clause will work. As the number of records, as you can see over here, is small, limit clause generally work when the output is large, like the query is returning 1000 records, but you want to see only top 10 records. At that time limit clause will work. Now we are going to see the syntax of limit clause and we'll see how it works with the help of one example. As you can see, we have fired a query select star from LFC which will return all the records. So total records we have here over here is 6 records only. Now we will try to limit the output of this table and we will print only top 3 records only. So first of all, what is the syntax of limit clause? You have to put select star from LFC, limit is the keyword which is used, and number of lines you want as output. So as currently we want output as a 3. So this will be our query, select star from LFC, where the limit is 3. So it will print top 3 records, first record, second record and third record. And it will skip 4th, 5th and 6th record. So when I go with this query, you can see the limit and it will show only 3 records only. So in this way limit clause will work in MySQL. Not all the database system supports MySQL limit clause. In SQL there is a top clause. So it depends on database to database. So if you are using SQL, you can use top clause, and if you are using MySQL, you have to use limit clause. So this is it. This is the basic video regarding the limit clause. You can also increase the limit of this clause if you want. If you want, you can add 2 also. You can add your number according to your also. You can also add where clause, order by clause, and after that you can put limit. You can try this in your localhost PHP myadmin. This video is basic regarding the limit clause. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.